Hello and welcome to this video on how to write a descriptive essay step by step. Descriptive essays are one of the most common types of academic essays that require you to describe a person, place, event, or object. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of writing a descriptive essay. The first step in writing a descriptive essay is choosing a topic. Select a person, place, event, or object that you are familiar with and have enough knowledge to write about. Make sure your topic is interesting and appeals to your readers. Before you start writing your essay, create an outline to organize your ideas. Divide your essay into 3 sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction should provide background information about the topic and present your thesis statement. The body of the essay should describe the topic in detail and provide examples to support your thesis. The conclusion should summarize your essay and restate your thesis. Descriptive essays rely on sensory details to create a vivid and engaging picture in the reader's mind. Use descriptive language to paint a picture of your topic. Use all 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste to create a multi-dimensional image of your topic. Use metaphors and similes to enhance the descriptive nature of your essay. When writing a descriptive essay, use clear and concise language that is easy to understand. Avoid using jargon, technical terms, or overly complex language that may confuse your readers. Use simple sentences and avoid using long and complicated ones. After you have completed your essay, take time to revise and edit it. Check for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and punctuation errors. Make sure that your sentences flow logically and are easy to follow. Make sure that your essay has a clear and concise structure. In conclusion, writing a descriptive essay requires careful planning, the use of sensory details, clear and concise language, and revision and editing. By following these steps, you can create an engaging and descriptive essay that captures the essence of your topic. Thank you for watching this video on how to write a descriptive essay step by step.